Welcome to Money Booster, the channel built to help you take control of your money, grow your income, and build real financial confidence. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by finances, confused by money advice, or unsure which steps actually matter, you're not alone. This channel exists to cut through the noise and focus on what truly works in real life. No hype, no complicated jargon, no empty promises. Just simple, useful, and empowering ideas that help you move forward one smart step at a time. You're in the right place. Money Booster is for people who want clarity, control, and confidence with their money. It's for anyone working to manage income better, reduce financial stress, build smarter habits, or create new opportunities beyond just earning a paycheck. Whether you're learning the basics, improving what you already know, or teaching your family smarter money habits, this channel is designed to support you at every stage. No matter where you're starting from, the goal here is progress steady, practical, and achievable. At Money Booster, everything we create follows our SUIT philosophy. SUIT equals simple, useful, inspiring, timely, empowering. S. Simple. We break down money topics in a way that's easy to understand and easy to apply. No fluff, no confusion. U. Useful. Every video shares practical tips and real strategies you can actually use to improve your finances. I. Inspiring. We motivate you to take action and remind you that financial freedom is possible no matter where you're starting from. T. Timely. We focus on topics that matter right now, helping you stay ahead of changes and opportunities. E. Empowering. Our goal is to give you the confidence, knowledge, and tools to make smart money decisions for your future. This SUIT philosophy guides every video, community post, and playlist on this channel, so you're not just watching content, you're building real momentum. On Money Booster, you'll find a wide range of practical videos designed to help you boost your income, sharpen your money skills, and stay motivated on your financial journey. Whether you're looking to start or grow a side hustle, master budgeting, or learn how to manage debt effectively, this channel offers clear, actionable guidance. We also share inspiring success stories featuring people who've rebuilt their lives and created lasting wealth to remind you that financial freedom is possible for anyone. And because smart money habits start early, we have dedicated content for kids and teens too. Teaching financial literacy at a young age sets a strong foundation for lifelong success. To make it easy for you to find exactly what you need, videos are organized into focused playlists like side hustles and income growth, debt management and budgeting, and financial literacy for kids and teens. This way, whether you want to dive deep into building income streams, get help with managing your money, or introduce the next generation to financial smarts, you have a clear path to follow. One of the things we love most about Money Booster is the community we're building together. Every Tuesday and Friday at 4:30 p.m. Dubai time, we publish community posts where you can share your thoughts, ask questions, and connect with others on the same financial journey. These posts are a great way to get involved, share ideas, and find encouragement, because growing your financial life is better when you're not alone. And here's a little secret: we have something exciting launching soon, right at the end of this quarter, that will give you even more tools and support to boost your money skills and income. Stay tuned, because this is something you definitely won't want to miss. Remember, your financial journey is unique, and every step forward counts. Whether you're just starting out or building on years of experience, Money Booster is here to support you with simple, useful, and inspiring content every week. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video that could change your financial future. Join our community of like-minded people who are taking control, growing their income, and building the life they deserve one step at a time. Let's make this journey a success together. Dive into our playlists packed with game-changing tips designed just for you, everything you need to boost your finances, sharpen your money skills, and grow real, lasting wealth. Each video is created to help you take confident steps forward, no matter where you're starting from. Got big goals this year? Drop a comment below and share your story. Your journey could inspire someone else, and together we can learn, grow, and support each other every step of the way. And don't blink! Exciting new content is coming your way very soon, with even more practical insights and motivation to keep you moving forward. I can't wait to see you in the next video.